If you're looking for information on the email delivery lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The email delivery lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the email delivery lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Email deliverability, marketing, and automation software. Our email marketing solution can be hosted on your preferred hosting provider or on premises. You can send emails using your own IP addresses, using our Velocity MT at no cost, or link up with your preferred SMTP relays and APIs. Enjoy limitless sending and delivery configurations, as well as white label capabilities for agencies and resellers. Plus, you can use an unlimited number of domains and contacts. Email marketing for enterprise and small business. Be your own email service provider and bring marketing in-house. Ultra-flexible email broadcasts that don't monkey around. Send a broadcast to multiple contact lists, dynamic segments, and tag contacts simultaneously. Personalize using any contact property in your database plus engagement, interests, and behavior. Trigger contacts who engage with your broadcasts into funnels of automated email sequences. Design gorgeous responsive emails with our intuitive drag-and-drop composer. Choose WYSIWYG for minimalism or raw HTML for pixel perfection. Real-time engagement tagging for opens, clicks, and messages received. Suppress segments, tags, and upload suppression lists to fine-tune your audience. Email Delivery is a free email service provider that allows users to send custom email campaigns from their own IP addresses. It offers unlimited delivery over multiple email service providers and mail transfer agents and sophisticated load balancing to improve sender reputation. Users can set throttles for daily or hourly sending limits, automate IP warm-ups, and customize delivery for each customer using their ESP. The platform also integrates with SMTP relay accounts and APIs like Mailgun, Amazon SES, and Spark Post. Email Delivery's advanced segmentation allows users to send campaigns to multiple lists, tags, and segments at once, guiding different groups into email funnels tailored to their interests and behaviors. Users can also send marketing and transactional emails, including welcome messages, shipping notifications, and password resets, and get real-time engagement reporting for opens, clicks, and other actions. The platform lets users combine lists, tags, and segments in their campaigns without sending duplicate emails, and create automated message sequences to keep contacts engaged and maximize ROI. Users can customize their drip campaign strategy to find the cadence that achieves the highest open rates and trigger follow-up email sequences the moment any contact engages with their message. Email Delivery also lets users control who keeps receiving messages with the option to only send messages to contacts that engage frequently. The platform's drag-and-drop builder allows users to design responsive emails and forms from scratch or starting with templates. They can also create email opt-in forms optimized for every device that can be embedded on their website. With exit intent bounce detection, users can still get a user's email address as they leave to continue building their email list. Email Delivery's self-hosted ESP allows agencies and small businesses to bring their email marketing in-house without limitations. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to email delivered today. One-time purchase of $69 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.